We are driving via the ring road. From here we will be turning right once the Bogadi signal comes up. We have reached the Bogadi signal. From here we'll take the right turn and drive another 25 kilometers. We'll be passing through different villages. The view is really pleasant. It's really very important to understand that we need to be very close to the nature. We need to. So guys, I'm sharing some things which is my future plans or some things which I would be really involved in coming days. I am learning about permaculture, back to the nature, growing your own food, these kind of concepts. I have been thinking about it, I've been reading about it, I've been talking to people about this, and I am really wanting to spend more time with the nature. I wanted to spend more time learning about farming and growing your own food, growing natural food, growing food without pesticides, as natural as possible, organic farming, and something called permaculture. Permaculture is like permanent agriculture, and this is a farmland which I am going to develop, or I'll be working on this. I am not the owner of this land. I will be working towards developing this land. That's the plan. So in a series of videos I'll be sharing my experience. Last 3 months I've been working towards buying or getting a land to do this farming. This land is near to Mysore, almost 20-25 kilometers from Mysore. It's a beautiful piece of land. It's like more than 5 acres of land, and there are some trees, and they were following organic farming. No pesticides or chemicals are being used. So in coming videos I'll be sharing all those experiences, and lots of things to do. I know nothing. I'm just learning. Most of the things we would be learning while doing mistakes, right? It's sunset time and the view is really amazing. You can see that light, sunlight's coming, and in between the trees. It feels really good when you walk in places where you get fresh air can see all green. These are all moringa trees. Moringa is a very good source of nutrition, vitamins. It's actually known as a superfood. You can use the leaves, you can use the drumsticks,